If your skin tones break the moment lighting changes, you are correcting the wrong data. This video explains channel-based skin correction, a technique used when global color tools fail. Instead of pushing sliders blindly, professionals inspect individual color channels to locate imbalance at the data level. By identifying where red dominance collapses or green contamination appears, you correct skin with surgical precision. This method avoids muddy shadows, gray highlights, and unpredictable shifts. It is slow, analytical, and extremely powerful. Once you learn to read channels, color correction stops being emotional and becomes technical. This approach is essential for studio portraits, mixed lighting, and commercial skin accuracy.